everyone. Welcome back to Dream Speak English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Jack. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic: how to talk to the police in English during real-life emergencies.
That's right, Jack. Emergencies can be scary, but knowing the right words and phrases can help you stay calm and get the help you need.
This lesson is perfect for A1 learners who want to practice simple and clear English for emergencies.
Are you ready to learn?
Ready? Let's begin.
Imagine you are at home late at night and you hear a loud noise outside. You feel worried and want to call the police. What do you say first?
You can start by saying, "Hello, I need help."
Yes, it's simple and clear. Then you can say, "There is a loud noise outside my house."
Or, "I think someone is breaking in."
Let's practice a short conversation. I'll be the caller and Jack, you be the police dispatcher.
"Hello, I need help.
What is your emergency?
There is a loud noise outside my house.
Where are you?
I live at 123 Maple Street."
Help is on the way. Please stay inside and stay safe.
Notice how the conversation is short and clear. In emergencies, it's important to speak slowly and give important information first.
Now let's learn some useful words for emergencies.
Words like help, emergency, police, fire, accident, injured, and danger.
For example, I need help or there is a fire.
Let's practice these words. Repeat after me.
Help,
Emergency,
police,
fire,
accident,
injured.
danger. Great! Now let's talk about how to describe people or things in an emergency.
You can say, "The person is tall," or "The car is red."
Or, the man is wearing a blue jacket. Or, the dog is small and brown.
Descriptions help the police find the person or object quickly.
Let's practice describing a person. Repeat after me.
The man is tall and has black hair.
The woman is wearing a red coat.
The child is small and has blonde hair.
Now, let's practice a longer conversation where someone reports a lost child.
"Hello, police emergency. What is your emergency?"
Hello, I lost my son in the supermarket.
"I'm sorry to hear that. Where are you now?"
I'm near the entrance.
"How old is your son?"
He is 6 years old.
"What is he wearing?"
He is wearing a red t-shirt and blue jeans.
"Does he have anything special?"
Yes, he has a green backpack.
"Stay where you are. We will send an officer to help you."
That was a very clear and polite conversation. Notice how the caller gives important details step by step.
Now, let's talk about how to ask for help politely in English.
You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?"
Or you can say, "I need help. Can you call the police?"
These phrases are useful if you need assistance from strangers or in public places.
Let's practice.
"Excuse me, can you help me, please?"
"I need help. Can you call the police?"
Sometimes you might need to explain what happened. Use simple sentences like,
"There was an accident.
"Someone is hurt."
I saw a robbery.
"I saw a robbery."
My bag was stolen.
Let's practice these sentences. Repeat after me.
There was an accident.
Someone is hurt.
I saw a robbery.
My bag was stolen. Finally, let's practice a conversation where someone reports a stolen bag.
"Hello, police. I want to report a stolen bag."
I'm sorry to hear that. Where did it happen?
"It happened in the park near my house."
Can you describe the bag?
"It's a black backpack with a red ribbon."
What was inside?
"My wallet, phone, and keys."
Please fill out this form. We will contact you if we find it.
That's a very useful conversation for real life. Remember to stay calm and speak clearly.
Thank you for joining us today on Dream Speak English. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe and like this video.
Share it with friends who want to learn how to talk to the police in English.
Leave a comment telling us about your experiences or questions.
Keep practicing, stay safe, and see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye.